Hello, student of class 8. Today we are going to discuss our next chapter, microorganism. Our first chapter we have completed, and all the question and answer also I have discussed with you. Now we are starting microorganism. This is chapter number 2 of class 8. This chapter is very important. Why important? You know the reason. Because in this chapter we will come to know all like bacteria, viruses, algae, fungi, etc. Microorganism means micro, means small or very small, which cannot be seen by naked eye. We can see with the help of microscope. An organism means living things. So small and very tiny organism which cannot be seen and which can be seen with the help of microscope only. Microorganism have some beneficial side also and some harmful side also. So microorganism is very important for our survival also. Without microorganism we cannot survive also. And all the disease whatever takes place in our body, that also because of microorganism. So microorganism is friend also, and means enemy also. So different types of microorganism are bacteria, fungi, protozoa. Remember, amoeba is protozoa, algae, viruses, and among them, virus is the most smallest microorganism in our world. It is so small that sometimes with the help of microscope we cannot observe it. The strongest microscope is electron microscope. Another strong microscope is tunnel funnel microscope. And they are very beneficial also, they are very harmful also. Some disease in plants, some disease in animals and human being also, because of this microorganism. And beneficial side, from bacteria we can prepare curd from milk, fermentation process by applying preparing alcohol. Antibiotics is the medicine which always fight with bacteria. These also can be prepared. Vaccine is very important for human body. It keeps store in our body to fight in future with the microorganism. And microorganism also clean our environment by decomposing the material into the soil, and it increase the soil fertility also. So this is the beneficial side. And harmful side, sometimes food also gets spoils and some bad smell come because bacteria attack. Food preservation. So let's start our chapter. First, microorganism. So let's start our first topic, microorganism. We can see an immense variety of plants and animals in the world around us. There are also many living organisms that are not visible to the naked eye. Such small organisms that can be seen only through a microscope is called microorganism or microbes. So what are microorganisms? The organisms which are very small, which can be seen only through a microscope, are called microorganism. And the branch of science dealing with the study of microscopic organisms is called microbiology, and the scientists working in this field are called microbiologists. So remember, the study of microorganism is called microbiology, and the scientists working in this field are called microbiologists. Anton van Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch scientist, was the first to observe microorganisms and call them animalcules, which means tiny animals in Latin. He is commonly known as the father of microbiology. Remember this. Who is the father of microbiology? Anton van Leeuwenhoek, for this contribution in the field of microbiology. Hi student, now question arises here. Where do microorganisms live? Microbes are found in soil, water, air, in animals, plants, rocks, and even on or inside us. There are trillions of microbes inside our body. Microbes are seen in the permanently frozen ice in Antarctica also, in the boiling water of hot spring, and also in volcanic vents below the ocean also. They have been around for billions of years as they are able to adapt to the ever changing environment. So we can say microorganism is present all around us, or we can say microorganism is present everywhere. Microorganism can be unicellular, means single cell like bacteria, or multicellular, means many cell like algae. So microorganism can be unicellular also and multicellular also. They can be autotrophic also, or they can be heterotrophic also. Means some microorganism can make their own food like plants, and some depend on other, means heterotrophic. They can be solitary like amoeba, or colonial like fungi. They can reproduce sexually also or asexually also. So these are the some characteristics of microorganism.